My name is Dhambuza, Correctional Queens head coach. As I am preparing for this upcoming tournament, my players and technical team are geared for this challenge. This tournament is a fantastic opportunity for our team to showcase our skills and teamwork. As a coach, I am preparing, looking for my players' weakness and strength so that I can come up with the best lineup. We are fighting for this to come the top so that to get that 10,000, money. Eh? So, as a coach, I am studying the opponents' previous matches so that I can see their strategies and their weaknesses so that I can come up with a better result. As for my players, I'm training them different types of game plan so that we can adjust according to the flow of the tournament. I just want to thank Mr. Magaya for the kids. The club is appreciating him. The girl child is appreciating Mr. Magaya for recognizing that the girl child is so important. So we are preparing so hard, we are putting more effort to come up with a better result and keep on focusing.